Have you ever noticed that some men seem trapped in relationships with women who are objectively perfect, beautiful, successful, kind, yet they always have one foot out the door? And then you see another man. He's with a woman who just seems normal, but he looks at her like she's the center of his universe. He's not just committed, he's tethered. Most people see this and think she must have some kind of secret spell on him. Or worse, they assume he's settling. But the truth is, it's neither. It's biology. Today, we're moving past the surface-level ideas of romance and the mind games of modern dating. We're talking about something deeper, what you might call the invisible bond. Most people try to hold a relationship together using pressure, expectations, or emotional ultimatums. But those are external forces, and external pressure always fades with time. The kind of bond that actually makes someone stay isn't built on pressure. It's built on how they feel around you on a nervous system level. A man stays where he feels at ease, where his mind can finally stop performing, where his body can relax. In the beginning of a relationship, everything is driven by excitement. The conversations feel electric. Time disappears. That's because the brain is flooded with stimulation, the thrill of something new. But there's a catch. That feeling doesn't last. It's tied to novelty, and once the newness fades, so does the intensity. This is where most relationships start to crack. Many people think the solution is to keep the excitement high, more effort, more stimulation, more intensity. But that only keeps things on the surface, and eventually, it becomes exhausting. The real bond, the one that lasts, is built in a completely different space, not in constant excitement, but in calm connection. Think about it. Life is already full of pressure, noise, and stress. If being with you feels like more tension, more expectations, more emotional ups and downs, eventually anyone will pull away. But if being with you feels like peace, like a place where they can breathe, slow down, and just exist without pressure, that becomes something rare. And rare things are hard to leave. This is where the real shift happens. It's not just about being someone's peace. It's about becoming the place where they feel most like themselves. There's another layer to this that most people miss. Everyone has a deep need to feel effective, to feel like what they do matters. In relationships, this shows up in subtle ways. When someone feels seen, appreciated, and understood, not in a generic way, but in a real, specific way, it creates a deeper connection. Not empty compliments, not constant praise, but genuine acknowledgement of effort and impact. When someone feels that their presence in your life actually matters, that they make a difference, that connection becomes personal. It becomes meaningful, and meaningful connections don't break easily.